Hello, let me show you the installation video of the S30 first. First of all, let's introduce the accessories here. This is the front cover of our X30, back cover, battery, lock body wrench, other bits and pieces. Let's assemble it now. First, install the lock body. Notice that the square hole faces up in this direction. Put it in. Upper screw fixing. Pick up the front cover. Put the nuts on both sides and put it on. Tighten. Pick up the back cover. Put this spring in. And we're going to put our square bars on now. Go through the square steel hole of this lock body. Identify which side is the front cover. Which side is the back cover. Run the thread through here. Connect the wires on the other side. Upper screw fixing. Put the battery on. Install the battery cover. Put this waterproof colloid. Press it into this screw hole. Installation is complete. The above are all the steps of the X30 installation video.